Rishabh, would you like to have some almonds?
Yeah, sure. So how come almonds today?
Let us just get a bowl for it. Mayur bhai, can you just pass me a bowl?
You asked for bowl?
I asked for a bowl.
Now wait. Mayur, I want bowl. See?
Oh, bowl.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So take this back. All right. So this is a common problem.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
We commonly mispronounce words, the English words, and this is how it is taken in India.
Right. Hi, this is Kirati from Aspire Square.
This is Vishal Modi from Aspire Square.
And today we are going to discuss 35 commonly mispronounced words. So the first word that I spoke was almond. People usually call it almond, but it is pronounced as almond. And it's very good for brain, right? It improves the memory.
Almond, you spell it A-L-M-O-N-D, but L is silent there?
Yes, it is silent and it is still pronounced as almond.
And what just happened, like bowl? I didn't get it.
You can explain.
Okay, so we pronounce this as bowl here. Normally, I have seen people go in marriages and they say, "Pass me a bowl," but the real pronunciation is bowl.
Bowl, yes. And it is not ball or bowl. It is just bowl, right? So the next word that is usually mispronounced, and it is dengue.
What's dengue?
It is a mosquito-borne disease, and people often pronounce it as dengue.
Okay, you mean dengue?
I also heard some doctors pronounce it as dengue or dengue, but the right pronunciation is dengue.
Yes, I just went yesterday to my cousin to see. He's admitted in the hospital, and they were all pronouncing dengue.
Exactly, but it is often. Sometimes we have a lot of words, we know everything, but then such mispronunciation can lead to a big blunder, and we must pronounce some words correctly. At least the way it is pronounced, just to respect the culture and to respect the history.
I can recall of one word that is mispronounced, and that is coupon.
Coupon, yes.
And people normally call it coupon. Yeah, and we have my mom puts coupon. Milk coupon for the milk vendors,
right? And
so they call it coupon. The real word is coupon.
Coupon. It's K-O-O-P-A-W-N with the stress on the first syllable. Coup. And then coupon.
Yeah.
Right. Next word is plumber.
Plumber.
Okay.
So B is silent here, friends. The spelling is P-L-U-M-B-E-R, but normally, oftenly, when B is followed by M, the B is silent.
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
So some of the examples are comb, tomb. Comb is C-O-M-B, but we pronounce comb. And T-O-M-B is tomb, not tomb.
Right. So let me tell you the meaning of tomb. It is a large vault where we bury the dead animals or maybe people, right?
Yes.
So again, there's one more mispronounced word, and that is bury. People pronounce it as bury, B-U-R-R-Y.
Yeah. So they pronounce it bury.
Yeah. It is pronounced exactly as berry, B-E-R-R-Y, and that's how.
Berry, you mean
buried.
Berries, the fruits.
Yes.
We pronounce it the same way.
It has the same pronunciation.
So you bury dead bodies, you don't bury.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. All right. So the next word is debris. Well, in this word, S is silent, and the meaning of debris is. Can you please share?
Debris is the remnants of wastage and I think the construction waste or something. That is debris.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, and it is pronounced as debris and not debris or debris.
Okay, so the next mispronounced word is pronunciation. Normally people say pronunciation, but there is no O sound in pronunciation. The spelling is P-R-O-N-U-N-C-I-A-T-I-O-N. This is noun. In verb, pronounce. So there is a O in verb, but in noun there is no O sound, it's pronunciation. Yes.
True. Next word is poem. Now, I grew up with this kind of pronunciation, poem,
Yes,
right? So
yes.
in our childhood days, we used to have a lot of poems to remember, to memorize. But now, after knowing the correct pronunciation of poem, you must sing a poem and not poem.
Poem. Yeah. I can recall of a animal which I used to have at my home, and till few years back I used to call it tortoise. Yeah, we normally call it tortoise.
How about
but-
that story, rabbit and a tortoise?
Yes, rabbit and tortoise, hare and tortoise. But the real pronunciation I got to know is tortoise.
True.
Yes, friends, the real pronunciation is not tortoise, it's tortoise.
Next word is entrepreneur.
Okay.
So it is quite difficult to pronounce because it has got 4 syllables, right?
Yes.
But the letter R in the end will become silent, and the correct pronunciation will be entrepreneur.
It's difficult to pronounce. Yes. It's
entrepreneur.
not. It's not entrepreneur.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not, the origin of this word is not English, but it's French,
Okay.
and that's why it is pronounced it as differently.
Okay. Someone who starts his own business, who takes risk
Yes.
for profit, is called entrepreneur. Great. The next common word that we use, we always speak, is iron. Okay. People say iron, but r is silent here. We say it iron.
Right.
True.
Right. And there's one more word. Okay, let me just say it this way. Have you read this book, Angels and Demons by Dan Brown?
No, I haven't.
Okay, so before many people watched this movie, they all used to speak this word as demons or
Yes.
demon.
Okay.
But no, the correct pronunciation is demon. It's D-E-M-O-N, yet it is pronounced as demon.
Okay. Another word which comes into my mind, a very common word, Wednesday. Yes, so a very common word, but then still we pronounce it wrongly. It's Wednesday. It's not Wednesday.
Yeah.
There is D inside, but then D is silent here. It's Wednesday.
Right. Next word is genre. It's quite difficult to pronounce, but do you hear podcasts?
Yes.
Yes. So it has got this category that is genre. What genre do you like? Do you like contemporary? Do you like classical?
I used to go in parties, and then we used to shout, and DJ used to shout that what song do you want to listen to? I was like, what are you speaking about?
Right.
Yeah.
So what is your favorite genre?
I like EDM. I like blues music.
Good. That's great.
The next mispronounced word is epitome. The spelling is E-P-I-T-O-M-E. I have heard people speaking epitome, but it's epitome. The meaning is an idol, right? So you can say Mahatma Gandhi is an epitome for non-violence.
True. And so is the next word that quite resembles epitome, and that is extempore.
Okay.
The spelling of extempore is E-X-T-E-M-P-O-R-E, but it's not pronounced as extempore. It is extempore, which means unprepared speech.
Okay. So I normally go to Toastmaster Club. It's a public speaking club, and we have extempore speeches there.
Nice. I too would like to be part of that.
Come down anytime.
Great.
The next word we mispronounce, if you would have read the book, A Monk Who Sold His Ferrari.
Yes, one of my favorites.
Yes. So it's M-O-N-K, but differentiation is monk, not monk.
Yes, many people pronounce it as monk.
Yeah.
Next word that is commonly mispronounced, it is asthma. People often pronounce it as asthma, but it is a health condition, and that may lead to that can lead to shortness of breath, or maybe it can later lead to an attack. So however, the correct pronunciation is asthma and not asthma. Right?
The next word which comes into my mind is etc. The spelling is E-T-C-E-T-R-A, and we normally pronounce it etc. But the right pronunciation is etc. The th sound is there. There's no k sound. It's not etc. It's etc.
Right. Maybe because few people would relate it as extra.
Maybe could
And
be.
so they are quite confused with the pronunciation of etc. and etc. Right? Okay, so the next word is buffet. Few people call it buffet and buffet,
Yeah.
but the right pronunciation is buffet. It means when you go to a marriage or a reception and then you have to take the plate and you have got to fill the plates with some yummy food, delicacies. Right? So that is buffet.
I love to have
Right?
we normally go and I enjoy the lavish spread of different kind of food.
Who doesn't? Who doesn't? Right? Alright,
So the next word is mischievous. Okay, and we normally pronounce it as mischievous, but the right pronunciation is mischievous.
mischievous.
Yeah.
True. The person who does a lot of mischief. My
Yes.
brother used to be very mischievous.
Yeah.
Don't mind my brother. Next word is jeweler. Jeweler, right? It's not pronounced as jewelry, jeweler. It's pronounced as jeweler. Jewelry, this comes under jewelry, right? American spelling is different than that of British. British spelling is Jewellery, and American spelling is Jewelr. And that's the last word of this series. Let's just club the next series of mispronounced words.
So
Right.
what is the next series about?
Get up, let's go somewhere. Alright, so last time when I visited a multi-cuisine restaurant, so this multi-cuisine and not cuisine and restaurant. Not restaurant, but it's restaurant. So the last time when I visited multi-cuisine restaurant, I ordered for Jew pizza.
Okay.
And the steward didn't understand what I was speaking, and so I gave him the menu card and I showed him what I
You should have the item.
Yes, I showed him the item and I want this. And then he replied, "Oh man, this is Vardure pizza." Boom, I realized that this could be the other way around, wherein you don't know how it is pronounced correctly, just like bruschetta, few people call it still as bruschetta or bruschettes, but the correct pronunciation is bruschetta. When you go to a multi-cuisine restaurant and when you order, I needed a plate of bruschetta or bruschetta, and then he corrects you, right, by bruschetta, ma'am. It's not bruschetta. How come that? Right?
We have added the food items of the
Right.
but still we don't know the correct pronunciation of it. There are many items that we have taken from Italian cuisine and Mexican, but still we don't know the correct pronunciation.
Cuisine.
Cuisine.
Cuisine. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
One of the most common words that we learn today, the most common language is pizza, and people say pizza, but the right pronunciation. Oh, you have it for me?
Yes, I
Yeah,
have
come.
for you.
Thank you.
So it's
folks, this is not pizza. This is pizza. There is a P sound.
yes, just like beef, it's
Yes.
pizza.
It's pizza, not pizza.
Right. Next word
I'm going
is
to have this.
Yeah, sure. Next word is pasta. So people pronounce it as pasta. When you don't get anything, when you're confused, when in doubt, make pasta because it's easy to make, right? But it's not pronounced as pasta, it is pronounced as pasta. Pasta. And here we have got pasta. You may have
Is it? No, I had it. You can try it.
Sure.
Pasta.
Thank
And these
you.
are tiny pasta. They are cylindrical in form. So there are different types of pasta. There is pasta which is in spiral. Yes.
Alright. Next word?
Next word, I often have this drink in cafes and lounge, and I have seen my friends say, Vishal, I want to have mojito.
Mojito, yes,
Yeah.
this word comes.
And then I laugh out loud that, dude, this is not mojito, this is mojito.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
So
it's very refreshing. It's one of my
Yes.
favorites too.
it's really very refreshing.
And
And
here we have got mojito,
yeah,
right? Okay, so the next word is tortilla. You can have Mexican tortilla soup and not Mexican tortilla soup. Okay?
so L is silent here. It's tortilla.
It becomes Y sound.
Okay,
It's
okay.
Mexican tortilla. It's Mexican dish. Just like another word, quesadilla.
Yeah. So quesadilla, it again have the L sound, L inside, but then it has the Y sound. It's quesadilla. It's quesadilla.
Quesadilla. Okay. The next word is, that word resembles etc. It is espresso. It's not espresso coffee. So you get this cups and in which you are served espresso coffee and not espresso.
And they are actually the way they make espresso. They are espresso shots.
They are
Shots. Now, yeah. And there is no X inside. It's espresso. And so, Kirani, what did you have in breakfast?
I didn't have my breakfast today.
Okay.
I
So you
had-
did not break your fast?
I didn't break my fast, but I had brunch. So
Okay.
it's a mixture of breakfast and lunch.
Oh, so that's a new word.
Yes.
Mix of
Brunch.
breakfast and lunch. And oh, it's not breakfast. You're not breaking it fast. It's breakfast. Okay.
Correct. Alright, so the last word of this video is sour. Just like sour. It's something that is very, you get this feeling, lemon, no, I don't know what you have, but if you want to try it, then it is that sound, after eating it is because of this sour and sour.
It's not hot and
Hot and sour
soup.
soup.
It's sour.
Sour.
Yeah, hot and sour soup. Yeah.
Alright, so keep tuning to our channel, and if you really enjoyed this video, then click on the bell button and keep commenting, keep
Please.
suggesting for
Yes.
some more videos.
Please keep commenting, and if you would like to take more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel so that you get notifications when we upload new videos.
Right. Till then, bye.
Bye bye.